Hey everybody, MulkeyFilms here today, doing a review on the Skullcandy Up Rock Headphones, and these are over-the-ear headphones by Skullcandy, and as you can see there's the Skullcandy logo right there on each side. Very solid construction, and what I like about these is the band part is adjustable, and my head is probably on the medium size, I would say. Hat size used to be 7 1/4, but I think even larger now, maybe even 7 3/8, perhaps even 7 1/2. I'll get back to you on that one. But really like these headphones. Here it says Skullcandy on the inside of the band there. Really like the color of them. Really like the way they fit and the way that they feel. These cushions right here are very comfortable. I've used these for about an hour plus and use them with my tablet to watch TV shows and listen to music. And the sound quality is very good. Like I said, very comfortable. And really, the volume is very good. Now the bass response on these is not as good as the Skullcandy, I think it's the Head Crusher headphones, and that's because those are powered by a AA battery on the inside of them. But the bass response is very good for a set of non-powered headphones. Also, noise isolation, because they are over-the-ear headphones, it cancels out the outside noise quite nicely. Really like the way that worked. Another thing I like about these is the cord is very different from your regular headphone wire or headphone cords, and it's not round, it's actually flat, as you can see there. I wish I had another set of headphones I could show you what it looks like next to a pair. And then it's flat at the jack as well, so that way when you plug it in, I feel it's very easy to grab onto. It's not round, it's square. And yeah, just very nice to look at. I believe that looks like a gold-tipped connector on there, which also lends itself to high-quality sound. And let me show you how well it plugs in here. Very smooth action. I'm just going to plug it into the top of my phone here. So there's the headphone jack. Just going to very smoothly put it in. There you go. Very good action, very smooth. Good quality and good construction right here. It doesn't bend. It's very sturdy, so hopefully it lasts quite a while. I find that some of my headphones, just after you use them for a while, maybe a year, then they start to really wear out. And by buying these headphones, I was hoping to maybe prevent that and maybe get a little bit longer life out of them. So anyways, here's what the box looks like from the store. Very cool designs on the box, and there's the back side of the box there. The UPC number is 878-615-04412, and the model is a Skullcandy Up Rock, and they are made in China, not surprisingly, just like everything else these days. Okay, so with that out of the way, let's go ahead and get the old tape measure out here, and we're just going to measure a couple things. First is just how wide they are when they're closed. So I'm just going to do side to side. Just about 6 inches, and go ahead and close these. So we'll go ahead and do the height. Not sure if this is all that useful, but kind of interesting. And we'll say that's about 7 inches high, collapsed, and then we'll open them up and measure them again. As you can see, very smooth action on those. And that puts it up to, say, maybe 7 1/2. We'll measure this across now. That is measuring about 6 1/2, excuse me. And there you have it. Now, one other thing to think about is the weight. So with that, I'm going to bring my scale in here. There we go. Zero it out. Get it to as close as 0. And we'll go ahead and put these on here. We'll see what they measure. There we go. And we'll go ahead and get the cord on there as well. Because when you're working out, this is something to think about. Not that anybody would really use these for working out, but it is kind of interesting information. Okay, and the weight is just about 3 ounces. Not too heavy at all. Less than a 4-ounce scoop of ice cream. Move that back here. Okay, we'll get this untangled. And really, this design and this ribbon, it's almost like a ribbon for a computer cable. Very thin, kind of same design, similar design. It really does not get tangled up. Here, we'll do a quick demonstration here. Go ahead, tangle it up, wrap around the headphone cords, wrap around the chassis here, boom, boom, boom. Now a regular set of headphones would be pretty much, it would take you maybe about a minute to untangle that, okay? Now with this cord, we'll go ahead and time it. Okay, start your stopwatch now. Go ahead and unwrap it. Just like that. There you go. Totally unwound, uncorded, no knots, no tangles. Very nice. Really like that cord. Can't say it enough. This has been MulkeyFilms. This is my review of the Skullcandy Up Rock Headphones. If you like what you see, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And thanks for watching MulkeyFilms.